Welcome to Gardening with Heidi. Today we're going to just look at the dragon fruit flower. If you haven't seen that video, I have a couple wonderful videos showing them blooming in the night and doing a tasting. And then now this video, I planted the seeds directly from a fruit that I bought or that came off of my plant. You can also direct seed seeds from a store-bought variety potentially. So what I did was I just strained them out and rinsed them up and put them in this little pot. I just threw them in there, and then I used a 2-liter clear bottle that I cut the bottom off and created a nice little atrium for them. They love the heat, they love the moisture, and these seeds are doing well. So what I'm going to attempt to do today is to relieve some of the pressure around some of these and try to save and salvage these ones on the end and put them in a smaller pot here where they can develop a little bit more and get some stronger roots for me to transplant them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a chopstick again. I just did some papaya seeds, so if you haven't seen that video, go check that one out as well. So again, you want to be really gentle with these plants. So we'll see how this works. I haven't done this, so we'll see which ones kind of come out. So that actually came out. You can see the little spines on it. The dragon fruit is in the cactus family. Here is where the seed casing was that just came off. So I'm going to put these over here on the end here, or whatever. So I'm going to try to not disturb the roots, so I'm going to try to make a little hole. Oh boy. So yep. So now you're definitely going to want to support that plant and push it down pretty good to support those roots. So just give it a nice firm push like that. And you don't want to cover up you don't want to cover up those bottom leaves. You want to leave those out. So this is kind of like surgery, you want to work slow. You don't want to rush it, because I do want to keep one of these in there. But that's good. You can see the root has actually held on to some of that soil, so keeping that's pretty good. And I don't want to disturb it too much. So again, do that nice circle. Don't do it too deep though. I'm just going to set that in there gently, and then support it with my fingers and push the whole thing down. All right, so that's how you could do that. I'm going to just do all of those and get down to one in this pot, 1 or 2, and then I'll select the one that I want to do, and have this one will have a good start for transplanting this one in the future. So if you like what you're seeing, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and let me know if you've ever grown dragon fruit seeds from start, and if you have any tips for me. Again, remember, communicating in the comments is super important, and some of the most valuable information can come from you. So if you know something you want to add to this, let's create that community and leave a comment. I'd love to see it. Keep gardening.